Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing a cute kitten. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. So I've gone ahead and I have created 3 layers: the outline layer, the sketch layer, and the color layer. Now the outline layer is where we're going to use our markers to do the outline, and the sketch is where we're going to be sketching the picture initially, and the color is for us to color in. So I'm going to start off with my sketch layer, and I'm going to go and get my HB pencil just to sketch out the shape. So let's start off with the face. It's going to be a really cute kitten. Then you got the ears. And then we can start with the body. And we're just gonna do a typical cat pose, just on the front 2 legs. And then the tail is usually curled towards the front. And I'm just gonna fix just the proportions a little bit. The head should be bigger than the body. And then the eyes. Usually when drawing cute things, their eyes are really, really low on the face. And then we got the nose and the mouth. And then I'm just going to draw just a line to differentiate where the colors are going to go. So we're going to do these parts different colors. All right, I think that we can go into our outline layer and then grab our brush. And if you're on a piece of paper, you can grab your marker. I'm also just gonna decrease my sketch layer so I could see the outline layer more. So let's go ahead and do the outline. And now for the eyes. If you're on an iPad, and to make a perfect circle, draw your circle, don't let go of the pencil, and just hold a finger down anywhere on the canvas and it'll make a perfect circle. And now for the eyes, I'm just going to put a tiny reflection. Seems like that eye is a bit bigger. So let me try to make this a tad bit bigger. And I'm just gonna move the eyes a tad bit down. And I'm sorry if you're on a piece of paper, that's gonna be really difficult to do. I'm just gonna move this eye just a bit out more. Same with this one. Okay, I'm gonna go into my sketch layer and just erase these sketch marks. All right, and then let's go into our color layer now. We could start coloring. So I'm gonna make it a really light gray cat. So let me pick maybe something like that. Leave a little white space here. And then maybe his feet also have some gray. All right, I'm gonna go into my sketch layer and just uncheck it. So I think I'm also gonna put some eyelashes. So I'm gonna go back into my outline layer and grab my black marker. Maybe put like 3 eyelashes. And you know what would also be cute? If the tongue was sticking out. And then we can grab a red or pink. Go into our color layer. Maybe we'll make it a bit more pink. Alright guys, that's it. There's your cute little kitten. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe.